Reasons for using teeth whitening products. By whitening your teeth, you eliminate stains caused by smoking, wine, coffee, cola, soda and other foods. Moreover, a bright smile helps you to stop smoking. This is because, when you see your shining teeth, you don't want to stain them with cigarettes. It is a fact that with the aging process, teeth become yellow. The color of your teeth gives clues about your age. If you invest in whitening your teeth, you look and feel more young and healthy. As a result, you no longer have to hide those discolored teeth and you can smile as much as you can. You feel more confident in yourself and achieve more positive interactions with society. When you smile, you feel happy and more prepared to face life's challenges. Studies have shown that white teeth can improve your relationships and you appeal more to the other sex. You are more noticed when you are choosing the right mate. Many people look for bright teeth when they are dating a partner. In addition, a bright smile contributes to a greater success at work. A nice smile conveys a message of intelligence and responsibility in a working environment. Clients will approach you more and prefer you over others. People of any age can invest in a shining smile without undergoing surgical procedures. Today there are cheap and safe alternatives that you can do. These over-the-counter remedies are harmless and risk-free and are easily managed by everyone, young and old. Moreover, bright teeth are not difficult to maintain.